killavoori, kõik võivad tulla teele, kui ka me rõõmsaks meeled üle mäe aasa. La 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 la, tulge laulge kaasa. La 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 la. Kogu imeilus maailm on lahti oma väe, kogu maailm eilse laulu käes üle mäe aasa. La 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 la, tulge laulge kaasa. La 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 la.
Thank you. How many of you doesn't speak Estonian? Some. So we are a band from Estonia called Curly Strings, and all of those were also Estonians, dancing and singing for you in Estonian. And although our name is Curly Strings, we still sing in Estonian. And the next song is called Kättemaks, and if we translate it, then it's called Revenge. And the lyrics of the song are made by one of Estonia's most beloved poets, artists, actors, Jaan Tätte. And yes, he's really good in those things, indeed. And if we translate this song, it's really easy lyrics, actually, nothing very sophisticated. So if we quickly translate it, then it's about a man and a woman, and some third person, and some fourth person, and some fifth person, and then comes the revenge, of course. It's a very simple song, happy folk song. There's a little part for you to join in also. You need one leg and one hand. Hopefully you all have them. And you first tap your foot, actually not feet, just foot. Tap your foot and make a clap. So watch us how we do it. Try to figure it out.
kätes ma tema tervitust. Keegi viies ilmud on me vahele, tunnen sinu silmis ma tema tervitust. Keegi kuues ilmud on me vahele, tunnen sinu kires ma tema tervitust. Armas sõber, ära silmi maha löö, kõik on juba korras mul, kõik on nüüd okei. Juba jõudsin teha sulle tagasi, täna öösel kõrtsis ma, kõik on nüüd okei. Veidi olen pääsinud ma, muidu on okei. Nüüd saab minna kahekesi edasi, õhtul palju anda mul tervitusi sul. Õhtul palju anda mul tervitusi sul. Da-di-da-da